You're so bad, you know. You're so bad, 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 bad. I am, I am a good, I am good than the coronavirus, you know. You know, I can take care of you, Nike, when you get older. I can push your wheelchair to the road. In a small country. It's COVID-19. Yeah, but it will kill you it will kill you silently. It will kill you silent. In a small country island south of Italy. I am immune. I have COVID 5 times already. Oh, why you're still alive, Nay? Yeah, good thing you survived because if not, I don't have a bully person here in front of me while I'm doing live. So I thank God that God save you.